Hi guys, I'm here at Luneta Park, also known as Rizal Park. So for those who don't know, Jose Rizal is our Philippine national hero. So every night there's a dancing fountain that's quite enchanting to watch. So if you just want to sit and relax, then it's the best place for you. So the dancing fountain starts at 6 to 10 p.m. A lot of people here are with their loved ones. Yeah, like this one. Another one. And another one. Yeah, and some are also with their friends. Yeah, the place is very refreshing. So if you want to think or just to be alone or exercise, then you should visit Luneta Park. So now we're heading to Chinese Garden.
Makasulod ba diha? Magkano na entrance din? Wala pa na entrance? So we're now at the Chinese Garden. Wala ka masyadong dali. Gusto mo na sila kuan? Green up.
So this is the Chinese Garden. So there's nothing much in here. So let's go. So that's the Rizal Monument. So he led to start the revolution against Spanish government to gain freedom and control the country. So we call it Kalesa. So this was the mode of transportation before during the Spanish era. But you can still see some of it today. This park is famous because it has been the spot where Jose Rizal executed in front of the Filipino crowd during the Spanish colonial era. He became the Philippine national hero because he fought for the freedom in a very silent but powerful way. He expressed his love for the country through writing than the use of aggression or force. Now, Luneta Park is one of the major tourist attractions of Manila.
Maganda ang place for exercise also. Come on, good.
That one is Lapu-Lapu from Cebu. He's a chief and a warrior. He was one of who killed the famous explorer Ferdinand Magellan, who attempted to conquer the Mactan Island in Cebu. So this picture is our Muslim brothers, and the next picture is Lapu-Lapu. Yeah, he was a fighter. Magellan wants to conquer the Mactan Island by bringing troops, but he met a great amount of resistance headed by Lapu-Lapu. That is why there is a Mactan battle and Magellan died there. And this big building over here is the National Museum of Natural History. So this opens from Tuesday to Sunday from 10 to 5 p.m. And there's a free admission, including the foreigners. So you will see inside the skeleton of the largest crocodile. So there's a lot of museum in this area. So if you have time, please visit the place. And thank you all guys for watching. Bye. God bless.